What's up, everybody? This your boy Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So I'm out here at the park editing some videos, and Sbode sent me out a portable wireless Bluetooth speaker for review. And it's nice, compact, and we're gonna open it up and see what it's all about. So get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. All right, guys, so let's go to open up this package and see what we got. So first of all, I want to say nice job on packaging. The box looked absolutely superb, nice professional box. So let's go to open it up. We have a flap here on the side. So we open it up and you present it with the product. All right, so as you can see, the Bluetooth speaker here, and let's take it out the package. All right, nice and compact, nice and small, which is nice. All right, and in the box, you get your instruction manual right here. Okay, it is. So that all comes in the pack. So let's go to take a look at the Bluetooth speaker. As you can tell, it is a beautiful, nice little design. I mean, this gorgeous design, and it's nice and portable. And this is the latest model, the 2018 model that just came out. So this is nice. So let's go over it. You got your power button here. You got your volume up and down. Then you have your play button, play pause button here. Also in the back, you do have all your ports, which has the micro SD card. You got your aux cable port, also your charging port, which is nice. So you go to put that flap in because again, this is water resistant to a certain point here. All right, so look at the design of it. Has nice little insignia at the top and at the bottom. Beautiful, nice design here. All right, guys, so I got some non-copyright music paired up, and let's go to hear the volume of this device. Ooh, yeah, all right. So I'm out here at the park, and I'm getting some pretty good volume here. Now that's some good, clean sound there. All right, wow. And as you can tell, this kind of vibrating a little bit. Oh yeah, so for this little portable thing here, we are getting very good sound here. Wow. Now, what I'm hearing here is not a lot of bass, but it's giving me good full sound, and that's nice. This is nice. All right, so this is awesome. All right, this is awesome. This is awesome. Now, this Bluetooth speaker here have a 12 watts, do 6 watt speakers in here. Also, again, you got micro SD card support. You got, again, stereo sound here. You got FM radio. You got different modes here. Again, you can get this a little wet. This is good for the park out here, the beaches and stuff like that. The sound quality is definitely a thumbs up. For this little portable speaker, you get an outstanding sound. And I wanted to come out here in the park because this is kind of realistically here, right? If you want to take this portable speaker, throw this in your bag, and you want to come out to the beach in the park, this is where you want to hear the sound. So I kind of give you guys some realistic sound here, which is nice. So let's go ahead and crank this up a little bit. Wow, man. And also you do have your controls here. Make sure we got it. All right, that's the loudest it can go. Man. So you can actually feel the speaker vibrating. Oh yeah, so this is nice. This is nice. I really do like this speaker. All right, so at the end of the day, I like this Bluetooth speaker. And again, this is the latest version. You can pick this up on Amazon for about 36 bucks. I will leave all the links down in the description below. But overall, I'm very impressed on high sound. Definitely out here in the park environment, you get a true testament on how it sounds in the park environment instead of being inside. So I wanted to film this outside so we could get a true testament on how this sounds. And I can tell you, for small venues, park settings, stuff like this. This is going to be a very good addition to you if you want to check this out. That's it. Thank you very much. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the portable wireless Bluetooth speaker in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace. Let's have some fun. Yes. Woo. And that's nice. Wow, this thing got some nice volume to it, right? I mean, I really do like this thing. This has some very, very good volume to it.